Hello. Today's notes is Unit 1, Day 9. I know that at the top I didn't put that title, so if you want to go ahead and just put Unit 1, Day 9 notes, so that way you will know where these notes belong in your binder. Now, today is just basically going over the steps that we recently learned, the 6 steps, and we're just going to do one problem and break it down so we can be able to see how each step is applied into an equation that we're solving. So let's go ahead and start with this problem. Negative 2 times x plus 3 equals 4x minus 1. Now, the first thing you want to do is get rid of the parentheses if there's parentheses, and there are. So I want to distribute this negative 2 with everything inside of the parentheses. So negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times 3, negative 6. Now, of course, everything else that I didn't touch, I'm going to go ahead and copy it down. Now, step 2, combine like terms on the left side. So let's look at the left side. Can I combine any like terms? I can. I can do negative 6 plus 3, which gives me negative 3. Now, of course, I don't need to mess with the negative 2x, so I'm just going to copy it down. I need my equal signs. Now, did I do anything to the right side? Nope. So go ahead and copy it down for this step. Now, step 3. Look at the right side and see if you can combine like terms. Well, we already saw the right side. There's nothing to combine. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this exact problem like it is because I'm not messing with it. I didn't do anything for that step. Now, moving on. Step 4. Variables on both sides? Yes, there are. Now you need to decide which one you want to move. Do you want to move the negative 2x over here, or do you want to move the 4x over here? Your choice, really. I'm going to prefer to move the negative 2x over to the other side because I want to deal with a positive variable. So that becomes a positive 2x. So 4x plus 2x is 6x. Now, everything else that I didn't touch, I'm going to bring down exactly like it is. Now, the next step, jailbreak the constant, the number without the variable. Okay, so that means I need to move the negative 1 over to the other side. So moving the negative 1 will become a positive 1. So negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Everything else can just calm down exactly like it is. Now, the last step, jailbreak the coefficient. Now, if you notice, the coefficient is a 6, which is the number beside the x. The opposite of multiplying by 6 will be to divide by 6. So we divide by 6 to both sides. So the 6 divided by 6 is just 1, so that goes away. And I'm left with x equals negative 2 divided by 6. As you know, it's still a fraction, but you can simplify this fraction down to negative 1/3. So my final answer is x equals negative 1/3. Okay. Now, for this point forward, I would definitely recommend that you follow these six steps. And even though some of these problems will be a lot easier than actually using all 6 steps, if you just keep these steps in your mind and apply them to every problem, I guarantee you every single equation that you have to work out will be a lot easier than before. Okay. If you have any further questions about these steps, please do not hesitate to ask me tomorrow in class.